is homework 23, a solution video for problem 1. We have this sign right here that's a triangle, and we want to find it about the y-axis using integration. So I'll have the problem set up right here, and our approach to it is to take little rectangles. So let's say this rectangle right here. Right, so here's an individual little incremental, and we'll call that dx. Let's call this height of this thing, I'm going to call it L, because I already used h for this right here. So we'll say that dA, the incremental area of the thing, is going to be L dx. And we'll define L is going to be h minus y. Well, first off, let's get an equation for y. Right? So we start off at h and we go downwards. So the equation for y is going to be h. You could think of that as our y-intercept minus, and our slope is going to be h over b, right? Rise over run. So h over b times x. And if we want to try this out, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to h. That's true. If x is equal to b, then that's going to be b times b, so that's going to be h minus h, it's going to be 0, right? So this line is defined by this equation. So we could stick this equation back into here. We have h minus h over b x, and all we end up finding is that L is going to be, so that we get that h minus h, okay, 8 minus, so this is h over b x. I don't think you can intuitive look at this and just say that you know that to be true from just looking at this, but through that logic you can find that out. So pulling this back down to here, we see that dA is just going to be h over b x dx. And so the integral, so the IY is going to be the integral of x squared dA, right? And that's going to be from 0 to b, right? Here's b right there, right? From 0 to b. So we end up going h over b is a constant, 0b x cubed dA, and we get h over b 1 over 4 x fourthed 0 to b. Putting that in there, h over b 1/4 x to the 5th? No, 4th. Sorry. We already did this. Duh. B into there, b to the 4th. We'll see that it's going to go away right here. So we have our answer, whoops, went down there. IY is 1/4 HB cubed. The end. Let's make a separate video for the other problems.